Good day, dear viewers. Hope you all are doing well. And I'm back again with our discussion series one. And today we are going to discuss our topic is set rules for conflict. That's quite interesting and very important uh, topic that we will discuss today. So before any further that I delay it, let's get started. While every relationship has disagreements, the number and severity of those disagreements vary tremendously. You are never going to agree on everything, and you shouldn't try to agree on everything. But one vital agreement will help you reduce the pain of disagreements. Choosing a method for your discussions. It is not uncommon to find two people in a relationship with wildly different ideas about how to deal with conflict. Some rush into it the first moment they notice the problems, others hint around the problems without directly stating it, and still others try to avoid the subject and perhaps the instigating event altogether. The real problem arises when two people in a relationship adopt different approaches. Now, not only do they have to deal with the conflict at hand, but the difference in their approaches alone causes tensions. Level the playing field in your discussions by deciding how you can air concerns to each other in a format that allows both of you to participate. So, moving forward, we'll discuss about a story about a couple. So, it's about James. Leger knows a thing or two about conflict. He's a professional boxer, among the best in the lightweight class. Although I box, I hit people. I do it within the rules. You have to have rules, or you have no support. He lives his life by the same standard. James and his wife, Lisa, were high school sweethearts before getting married. They have no wedding day photos because James was still black and blue from US Olympic boxing trades on the big day. Now, in addition to his career, they focus on raising their children and the family dog, a boxer named Knuckles. The first year were lean. James turned pro but barely made enough money to pay for his training expenses. Lisa worked as a receptionist and paid for everything else. They drove a they drove a beat up car. We never once fought about money because we both agreed there were more important things in life, Lisa says, but it was rough. Finally, James told his manager, Lester Bedford, that he could no longer afford to keep boxing. Bedford begged him to reconsider and gave Lisa $250 for Christmas. The Ledgers preserved month to month, fight to fight, hoping for a break. The break finally came with a fight against a top contender, and when James won a bout against the champion, by the time he had claimed the World Junior Lightweight title, he was rich beyond his imagination. It's likely we are living out a book. Lisa says, you can hardly wait to see what's going to happen next. We have an awesome story we didn't hide from each other. That's an amazing principle, or a rule rather, you can say. Never hide anything among the couple. When you are a couple, you have a partner. Never hide anything, always discuss openly. We faced our fears and our hard times together. Now, instead of money worries, they have to deal with rupees. Girls just throw themselves at him during autograph sessions. Manager Lester recalls, Before they could argue over it, James thought about Lisa's feelings and decided to avoid places where he would draw too much attention. That's another very unique, graceful rule that was set by Mr. James. And men need to show their loyalty um, in any relationship, whether they are married, engaged, or about to get married. They must show the loyalty. They must consider the sensitive heart of a woman while dealing with a woman, and especially for the woman who is their who's the mother of their children's, or about to be a mother of their children's, or about to be a wife. The simple thing is the woman they are going to spend the rest of their life with. They needs to be very sensitive with her heart and feelings. This is a support where divorce is as common as blood in the ring. Lester says, but James and Lisa have figured out how to put each other first. That's the important key in any relationship. Guys, dear friends, dear viewers, always remember it's a golden principle to always prioritize each other first, and the rest comes along with it. So, the moral of today's story is while people may employ many different conflicts resolution strategies in a relationship, when both partners use the same strategy, they experience 12% less conflict and are 31% more likely to report their relationship is satisfying. So, today we end to our third topic, and I wish you all the best that you all have enjoyed our today's topic, and I'll see you in our next video. Till then, you take care of yourself. Goodbye.